Welcome to Simply Ride USA. Today, Friday, come on in. We are doing Yamaha demo days. As you can see, here's one of the bikes you can take for a ride, a Bolt R spec. They've got MTs, they've got XSRs, we've even got an R7 here. And as you can see, we also have some requirements. You need to be over the age of 18 with at least a year's riding experience. No permits allowed. Must have your own riding gear. They're looking for long sleeves, closed-toed shoes, helmets and gloves. So this afternoon, we are still doing demo rides throughout the day. I want you to let you know our final demo ride for Friday is at 4:30 today. That will be the final ride leaving here. We are also doing this from 10 to 3:10, which will be the last ride as of Saturday. Thank you, and come on in to Simply Ride. Check out our new Yamahas.